My name is Daniel Eric, and I live in Sweden, one of the most northern countries of Europe. I used to think I was born into the wrong country, always longing for something more, something bigger, and, of course, something warmer. Sweden has a climate with 4 distinct seasons, which I used to really hate, always escaping somewhere as soon as summer was over. But a few years ago, something happened. Instead of avoiding the nature I live in, I started to embrace it. I went out trying to enjoy what was in front of me, being in the moment, instead of always longing for what's next. Ice is singing like I have never experienced it before. And as long as I dressed according to the weather, I discovered how much joy and peace our different seasons brings me. This country brings long, beautiful rivers, endless amount of lakes, as well as vast, deep forests. And each season brings something different. Every time a season goes into another one, it's like all the places I love and hold dear becomes something completely new. And that feeling is magical to me, to never grow tired of where I am. Other than the weather, Sweden also has a lot of contrast when it comes to light. During the winters, the sun rarely goes above the horizon. In fact, in the northern parts, the sun never goes up at all. But during summer, the sun literally never goes down. It's 24 hours of daylight. This contrast was something I also used to hate. But since I've changed my perspective, now it simply feels like it's helping me have a natural rhythm in life. During the summers, I'm filled up with energy. I go out on adventures and socialize more. And the winters are a time to slow down, to get cozy in front of a fire and unwind. In a way, it feels like going into hibernation. Something I feel like I really need to fully recover.